Fixing a Shopify 404 error is crucial for a seamless shopping experience. Here's a guide to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. Check URL accuracy. Ensure the URL is correctly spelled and formatted. Typos or extra characters can lead to 404 errors. Verify product or page existence. Confirm that the product or page you're trying to access exists in your Shopify admin. Check for unpublished or hidden items. Update broken links. If the 404 error is caused by a broken link on your site or external sources, update or correct the link to point to the correct destination. Revert recent changes. If the error occurred after making changes, revert those changes to a known working state. This includes theme adjustments, app installations, or code modifications. Redirects. Set up redirects for outdated or changed URLs to guide visitors to the correct pages. Use Shopify's URL redirects feature in your admin. Clear browse cache. Clear your browser cache to ensure you're not seeing a cached version of the page. Contact Shopify support. If the issue persists, contact Shopify support for assistance. Provide details about when the error started and any recent changes made to your store. Review.htaccess or redirects in code. If your store uses custom code, review.htaccess files or any custom redirects that might be causing the issue.